name's Hassan Hirali from 4B, and today I'll be conducting a science experiment called a volcano. So for this experiment we need a funnel, a bottle, some vinegar, a dropper and some food coloring, some dish soap. We need 2 items to stir with. We need some water in 2 cups, and some baking soda. So now we're going to first put the vinegar into the bottle. Next, we're going to add the water in. Now we're going to add the dish soap and the coloring. And now let's add the coloring. Next, next we're going to mix these 2 together. Now, it's our final task where it's going to make the volcano. We're going to put our funnel back into this. And now we're going to remove this. And next, we're going to add these 2 together. Cool, right? It was so amazing. It exploded. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!